Hi everyone, all of you have seen the thumbnail. Actually, I will be in regular practice to improve the quality of the education. Okay, so for that, I am ready to use the technology for the better cause. After taking the classes, I wanted that my students how they are performing, how they are going to perform in the actual examination. I don't want to take the risk, so before going to actual mains, actual advanced, actual NEET, actual aims, actual Olympiads, they wanted that how the question paper is going to be and how will be our reaction to that questions. Okay, so I don't want that they should waste their time and years also. Sometimes because of small mistake when they attend the online examination, they might be doing mistakes. So to give them similar appearance, how the online exam is going to be and what type of questions they are going to ask. For that purpose only, I have started a surprise test. Okay, surprise test. Now it is for the first time I am introducing this online platform. Okay, online platform online platform for taking the surprise test, so that they will have the real feeling of the actual mains examination, actual advanced examination. Okay, so that link I am going to give it to you, and it is for the just testing purpose. I have introduced the advanced paper with the comprehension and comprehension questions. Okay, and only few questions I have given. If you like this video and if you like this way of examination, then you kindly give more likes to this video and share it to your friends. Everybody can use this facility for the free. If you are going to write your examination in your institution, in your class, in your coaching, in your school, then this is the best method to check your ability for before attending the actual examination. Okay, so I will be giving you the link in the description box. First attend and check yourself, your preparedness of the electrochemistry chapter. Then you will be getting the scorecard to your mail ID, whatever the mail ID will give. So try to give the correct mail ID, and on that you will be I will be releasing you the scorecard. Then you can come back and what are the questions and what are the correct answer, what went wrong, everything will be detailedly described. Okay, so this is the first time I am trying, and I will be improving myself, and I hope you all will also improve your score and inform to your all friends of your class and of your family, of your son or daughter. If you are a parent, then you can also reality check. It will be reality check before the examination. Hope all the best. You will all score will be. This question paper is of the 36 marks. I hope all of you will get the 36 marks after complete preparation. If you got any question wrong, kindly check the video explanation. Okay, and I will be doing so many tests like this. If you interested, how you will come to know, how I will come to know you have interest or not? By giving the more likes and more views. If I am getting, obviously you are liking it. Okay, write a good comment so that it should be encouraging to me. Okay, get set ready for the electrochemistry surprise test. After that, correct yourself before going to the actual examination. Bye. Okay, students, first question. Okay, so this will be given in the exam, understood? But why I have not given in the question? Because people are not adopting the instructions carefully. In the advanced examination, all these values like log 2, log 3, log 4.7, all values will be given at once. So to inculcate that habit, I have not given in the comprehension. Understood? So it is, question is not incomplete, question is complete only, but to make you aware, one value I have given in the question and one value you will be getting. Actually, in the advanced examination, you will be getting all values together in the instructions. Or at the subject starting, you will find all values. Okay, are equal to how much you have to use. Even though you know, but you should go through those values so that you can understand what value. If they change some value, according to their value only you have to substitute. Okay, so this type of values you will get in the subject starting only, required values. Okay, so uh, but I am assuming that it is given in the starting only, and minus 0.44, it is a reduction potential. For this you wanted to find out. After the questions, those who want not attended this exam, you can attend to the link provided. Okay, so I will provide the link in the description so that you can attend, and instead of wasting the question writing, just we have started like this. Okay, so this is the first time, so some problem may be there from the student side, some problem may be from my side also. So but in future this type of conducting the examination and discussing the questions will improve the number of questions discussed will be improved, and your attentiveness or attempting strategy will be improved. Okay, so in this questions, in this test I have given only 9 questions. Slowly we will improve and we will add different type of question. For that, what I require encouragement from you people. Okay. Okay, after finding out this potential, E naught potential, it is minus 1.24, and concentration of silver positive and Fe positive is given. And some people have, after the going through the solutions and answers, some people got this answer wrong because just they forgot to write the square. Okay, so in the balanced equation, this 2 is there, that must be written as a square. So if you are forgetting this will, you will get answer different. Okay, so people are attempting wrong. What is the reason? Is it understood? This is the second question. Note down, if you not attended the test, kindly attend. Okay, link will be given in the description box. Let us see the next question. Okay, third question. Here the reaction given was non-spontaneous because EMF you are getting negative. So to make it this spontaneous, this EMF is made positive as 1.24. Okay, so kilowatt hour, the rate of doing work. Okay, kilowatt hour is the unit for rate of doing work. It is also called as a power. Okay, so first we will find out maximum useful work done, that is delta G is equal to minus NF E naught cell. We have to take the maximum condition. Iron is losing 2 electron, and silver we have to balance. That's why we have taken 2 moles. Okay, N value is 2 into 96500. E cell is 1.24. So this minus only represent that it is work done. Okay, useful work done, 2.39 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. But answer they wanted in the kilowatt hour. So rate of doing work. Okay, then converted by dividing with 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6. Then on simplifying, you will get 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 kilowatt hour. Okay, note down this. Okay, next one is, first of all, the main problem students are facing, how to write this reaction. Okay, the metal whose reduction potential is more negative will act as a anode and undergoes oxidation. The less negative will act as a cathode, and it will act as a reduction potential. Okay, so it will undergo reduction and act as a cathode. Okay, so here this will be the answer. Our point 209 is answer. What is the answer? 0.209 is only answer, I think. This is the calculation. 0.28 minus of minus. This will become plus 0.237. Sorry, I think 0.209 is correct answer. 0.209. Okay, on simplification, you will get 0.209. Okay, values given were 0.28 and it is minus 2.37. Okay, on simplifying, you will get plus 2.08. How much you will get? Plus 2.08. This is the final answer. Okay, note down this. Okay, once you found that answer correctly, then E naught cell will be 2.09 minus 0.059 upon 2 log 0.5 is the concentration of product and reactant concentration is 1.0. On simplifying, how much you will get? 2.0. Therefore, answer will be 2.10. Okay, next sixth question. K, you have to find out simple formula. See, everywhere this value, if you are finding the first value wrong, then it is going to affect everywhere. And you will get K, log K is equal to 70.6. Okay, and K is equal to anti-log of 70.6. See, always the integer must be 10 to the power of 70. Okay, and you must be knowing log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So log 4 will be 2 or 2 log 2. Therefore, it will be zero point 0.6, approximately 0.6020. So I am taking it as a 4 into 10 to the power of 70. Otherwise, exactly if you want, log 4 will be 0.6020. Okay. Note down this sixth question. Sorry, n is equal to 2. Okay. That's all. Okay, in the seventh question, you are given with the equation of Cr2O7 minus with the 1 molarity. Its concentration is 1 molarity, 14H plus 6 electrons gives 2 Cr3 plus. Its molarity also 1 plus. Okay, and 7 H2O. In future examination, they may not give you, so this you should know about the balancing. Okay, so E reduction potential is equal to E naught reduction potential minus 0.059 upon N is 6 log product upon reactant Cr3 plus to the power of 2 divided by reactant Cr2O7 2 minus into H plus to the power of 4. pH is given 2, therefore concentration of H plus will be 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 to the power of 14. Understood? On simplification, you will get approximately 0.0542. Okay, so that depend, actually here it is 0.0591 also, sometimes you have to take. Okay. Okay, ninth question next. Delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT into ln cube. Okay. So in place of delta G, what we can write? Minus NF E naught cell. E naught cell plus to convert ln into log, you have to use 2.303 into RT. Log Q means reaction coefficient, product upon reactant. So on substituting values and simplifying, you will get minus 422.83 or 83.